Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code for Self. My name is Sunil Mishra and today we are going to discuss GitHub secrets and variables. Okay, so before start, let me give the few basic understanding on GitHub. Okay, so what is GitHub? GitHub is basically a cloud platform where we store our source code. So cloud platforms, apart from GitHub, we have GitLab, Bitbucket, TFS and others. But GitHub is very popular and you can log into the GitHub with this link github.com and log in. You can create your own account, and after login to GitHub you can create different repos. So here I have created repo 1, repo 2, repo 3. This is basically my code repos. So you have created your code can be your Java, React, .NET or any code. Okay, so that you can add it here, and now each repo have the workflow. Now why the workflow come or how the workflow comes into the picture? Because we need to implement the CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. Okay, that is very popular nowadays. So CI/CD can be achieved with different ways, like Jenkins, different CI/CD tool. Okay, like Team Cities, Octopus, and others. But in GitHub, this is also provide the workflows, and that workflows are going to help in CI/CD. So whenever we do any action on our repo like clone, pull, push, fetch, commit, merge, these actions can be fetched in this workflow, and accordingly these workflow will automatically trigger and perform the next tasks of action, either building the code or running the test cases or ready for deployment or something like that. So that's why these workflows are very important and we should learn these workflows. So I will quickly cover before, since this manage secret and variable in GitHub, before that we need some basic understanding of workflow, and that's why I am creating in this video, or I am clearing that in this video. So in workflow, what are the workflow basically? So if I go and see workflow is basically YAML file. I have just given 08 secret YAML. Okay, and where it stores, this is my uh, repo name. Okay, this is my branch name. Under the repo I have created .github folder. Under that I have created workflows folder, and under that I have all list of my workflows. So these are my list of workflows. Under that I have this secret.ymls. I have already created this workflow, so I can give you the demo. And uh, so before going proceeding for the demo, let's check with the basic structure of the this workflow. Okay, so it is having name. Every workflow have its own name. Okay, it can be unique, any name. This is on is basically the event. It may be pull, push, fetch or any other event, but here I have added workflow underscore dispatch. So manually I can trigger this event. Okay, otherwise other events, when the event occur then only it will trigger, but if I go and manually trigger this event, I need to use the event that is workflow underscore dispatch. Now it is having job. This is the name of job. So my name of job is secret underscore demo. It is run on. So run on basically in GitHub on cloud, it is having different servers to run it. So best is to use the Ubuntu underscore latest. This is my environment variable. So environment I am checking for dev environment. Okay, similarly we can do QA for production and all. Okay, this is my environment variable. Okay, and here we are going to give the demo of repository variable. So that's what I am printing here. Environment variable, that's what I am printing here. For the repository environment secret and repository secrets, both are I am printing. Okay, so how we can print it? Okay, so somewhere you will see my repository variable is $, two brackets, and then close of these two brackets, and start with vars. This is the very important vars. Okay, my secret start with secrets. Okay, and this is my variable name, and this is my secret name. Okay, so before proceeding and do the actual demo, let's do some understanding on as in theoretical also. Okay, so first I will go with this slide. So this slide you will see manage secret and variable in GitHub flow. Why GitHub secrets? So to securely store sensitive information such as API keys, tokens, passwords that you need to use for GitHub workflows, protect your credentials and prevent unauthorized access to your application. That is the use of secret. What is the use of variable? So to store and access dynamic values within your GitHub Actions workflows and provide flexibility and reusability of your workflows. Okay. Now move to next slide. What are the scopes and differences? So as in scope, we have a three type of secret: organization secret, repository secrets, and environment secret. Okay, and access basically all repositories of the organization, only specific repositories, and only specific environments. So this is the basic theoretical things we have checked, because it is important to know it before go and do the actual demo. Now let's proceed to the actual demo. So in your GitHub, this is my GitHub account. Okay, this is my repository. Okay, under the repository you will be able to find the settings button. If you click on setting, okay, I'm opening it a new window. So if you click on setting, you will able to find, if you go down, you will able to find secrets and variables. Click here, click on actions. Okay, so see, I have a list of secrets. Okay, this is my secret list because my tab is secrets. Okay, this is my environment secret, this is my repository secret. I have a list of variables also with the same. Okay, so these are my environment variable, these are my repository variable. Okay, for organization secret we need a in our free account. I don't think so, because I have tried but I could not find that, and then I realized I need to upgrade my account, then only I can identify the organization. Basically this account I need to create the organization account to get the organization secret, but uh, the implementation or fetching the values would be same. So here we will do the demo with the environment secret and repository secret. So now if I need to go and add in new repositories, okay, so if I click on new repository, if I click here and I need to create a new repository, okay, so I will create YouTube demo repository. Okay, this is my name of secret. Okay, and I'm just add secret value. So this is my value of secret. Okay, so with this name I will be able to print this name. Okay, so let me add it. If you add it, repository added successfully. So if I come here, I can see YouTube demo repository just now added. If I edit it, I will not able to see any values, because I can only add new values, that is override, but I cannot view my added values. Okay, so at the time of creating this repository secrets, be careful about your name, because through name only you will able to know what is you have added inside, otherwise you will not able to add it or see it. Now this is about repository secret. Okay, let me cover the repository variable also. So at the time of environment I will cover the both same. So if I go to variable, okay, this is my repository variable. Okay, so repository variable, I can see the values, whatever the values I have added I can see it. Okay, so if I add the repository variable, so basically variable, okay, and I will just add the value. Okay, so at the time of fetching we can see the value is printing or not. Okay, if I add, so this is just now added YouTube repository variable, and this is my value. Okay, now let's go to the environment. Okay, so to environment, see I have already added dev environment, production environment, but I will show you to add. First we need to add and create our own environment, then in that environment we can add the secrets and variables. Okay, so if I click on manage environment, I will come here in the same menu but environment. Okay, I need to create a new environment, so I will create a new environment, and new environment will be my test environment. Okay, I will create test. Okay, under test, okay, see, these are asking to add environment secret and environment variable. Okay, so I will add the environment secret. Okay, to test. Okay, secret, and similarly I will add a value. So with value I will able to see it. Let me copy it. Okay, I have added, but if I go and try to see, okay, I will not this is my, okay, environment secret. Okay, so secret value, whatever the value I have added, I am not able to see it. Okay, it is whatever update secret, I can update but I cannot view my secret. Okay, now come to variable. So this is my, instead of secret it will be variable, and this is my value. I have added a value, this is also got added. Okay, so my both environment variable and environment secret is also ready. Now if I need to go and use it in uh, my workflow. Okay, so to use it, what I will do, I will edit it and everything will be the same. Okay, I can rename this name, that is not a problem. Okay, so but now I will just keep secret demo, but I can rename it whatever name I will add it in actions. I will able to see the same name. Okay, so let's suppose, let me add it, no problem. So if I say YouTube, okay, secret demo. Okay, and now everything will be same. My environment is test environment. Now I am going to deal with test environment. I can add multiple environments here, but right now I am using test environment. My variable will be test. So here I am trying to fetch the my test environment variable. Okay, so what is my test environment variable? Okay, this is my environment variable, so my name is YouTube test variable. I will come here and put it YouTube test variable, and this same test environment variable I will add print environment variable. So my test environment variable is this one. Okay, now print repositories variable. Okay, so what is my repository variable? My repository variable is this one. Okay, let me refresh it. If I go, so in variable, this is my repository variable. Okay, add it here, repository. Print environment variable. Okay, environment variable I have already added and captured it. Now come to secret. Print environment secret. Okay, so to boot the environment secret, what I need to do, I need, this is my environment secret, YouTube test environment, and print repository secret. Okay, so repository secret will be my, okay, this is variable. Now go to secret, this is my repository secret. Okay, I have used all my, added all 4 values. Okay, now if I go and commit it, it's got commit. Okay, now go to action. So in action, see, you are getting this YouTube secret demo. Whatever name you will give there, you will see it here. If you click here, you will able to see it. Okay, now go to workflow and run it. Otherwise, click here and rerun it. It will be better. See, it is running. Okay. Now go and see what are the values it is printing. Okay. So first is set up jobs. So just leave it because it is having all basic startup for setting the jobs. Okay. So I will leave it here. Print a repository variable. So if you repository variable, so see, I will demo repository variable values. Okay. Okay. This is repository variable. Next one is okay. Dev variable. Okay. It seems like it is fetching the previous value. Let me check it again. Why YouTube name is not coming? Okay. Test environment. Okay. Go to actions. Rerun it again. YouTube test variable. Okay. I've added this one. It is queued, it is in progress, it is success. So if I will again come and we'll see repository variable. Oh, now it is coming. Yep. So see YouTube repository variable. So you can see YouTube repository variable value. Your environment variable is okay. This test variable. So YouTube in test variable values. Okay. Your environment secret is it is coming, but it is having star. Okay. So because it is secret, so at the time of fetching also you will not able to see it. You will just able to know some star is coming means it is fetching. And similarly for test repository secret, if some star is coming, it means it is fetching. Okay. And my job is completed, so my job got completed. Okay. So this is all about for today's video and today's topic. Okay, I hope you it is informative and it will be helpful for all of you. I thought to create this because some this these topics are very important, and most of the live projects it is required to add the secrets and variables. Okay, so thank you friends for looking into it. And if this information is informative for you and helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.